So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Power share. So we know that today the stock has given some very good movement and it has approached the 128 rupees level with almost 3% positive movement. So previously when you discussed about this particular stock, we have seen that it was facing some very good consolidation and accumulation between 120 and 125. So we know that recently few positive updates were released related to HPCL and Tata Power related to electric vehicle charge points. So that made the stock look a little bullish and it is sustaining the 125 rupees region. So we'll try to find out what are the next targets, followed by we'll also compare the day-to-day wise deliveries. So we'll get some clear idea. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the stocks for short term followed by technical levels. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so moving towards the update or agreement which happened between HPCL followed by Tata Power. So basically Tata Power is going to provide all the infrastructure at the HPCL outlets, whatever the petrol pumps we see. So there they'll provide all the infrastructure, and the charging whatever is enabled via the Tata Power would be mobile application. So apart from that, we know Tata Power has over 500 public chargers in 100 plus cities. So it is not at all a small number. So expansion, whatever I was discussing earlier also, so that is take placing in a regular manner. And apart from that, the company is also present across various segments of electric vehicle ecosystem. Okay, so these are the things. So the partnership is expected to play a very strong role in encouraging electric vehicle owners. So the upcoming segment, what we discussed previously also about electric vehicle charge points, so that is going to play a very crucial role for Tata Power. So these are the basic things that you need to remember why actually the stock has gained little bit of volume in the last few sessions. So quickly let's go to the delivery section followed by technicals to find out the next possible levels. Okay, so before that I forgot to discuss the most important thing, actually the basically NEMMP. So this is a particular mission. So clearly you can see it is India's National Electric Mobility Mission Plan, which actually aims to develop electric vehicle charging infrastructure, where Tata Power is also the part of it, using latest technology along with easy access to electric vehicles for charging points. So this is also very important thing which is running by the government of India. So make sure you're keeping this also into your radar. Okay, so these are the basic points. So now let's go to the deliveries. Okay, so now we are back onto the delivery section. So once you see the day-to-day wise delivery, so clearly again you will understand that the stock has faced very good consolidation. So when I take you to the technical charts, so there I'll show you all the support regions where the stock was obeying very well. And if you see in the last session, that is on 16 July, we have seen 33.6% deliveries. But if you compare the previous days one, you can see only 24-23 was present. So a sudden increase was present because of the updates which were running around. So traded quantity is also very less and negligible. So actual deliveries are only happening. Okay, so now let's go to charts. Okay, so now we are back on to technical chart. So first we'll discuss on 1 week chart frame and then we'll shift to the 1 day chart. So once you see the 1 week chart, so clearly you can see the stock after showing a little bit of weakness. So first we discuss when the crossover has happened. So basically we have seen the 50-day exponential moving average has crossed the 200-day moving average, which is basically a golden crossover. So after crossover has happened, we have seen little bit of correction where the retest has happened and the stock has given the opportunity. So at that point of time as well, clearly we discussed 2 to 3 videos whether you want to accumulate or how to buy as well. So now it is trying to approach towards the main resistive region of 130. So this is on weekly chart. So once it crosses that 130 with good volume, so definitely we may see some quick movement in the stock. So that is very, very important. So next, moving further towards money flow index, you can see that is near 76 in a very good region, and that is also showing that momentum may be possible. So once it crosses 130 on weekly chart time frame, and if it settles and closes there, definitely you can expect some very good move. So this is long term stock, nothing to worry about that. Even if you are getting a chance to average or buy, you can definitely go for that. So now let's go to 1-day chart. Okay, so now we are back onto 1-day chart. So today market was also a little down. You need to agree that if market was on positive side, so the stock would also have given some very good move. Since market only is around 0.7, 0.8 down, so obviously all the stocks will correct, and this particular stock without any major fall, it is still in positive direction. So now, as I told, in daily chart time frame also, you can see 130 is going to be very good region. So a very good accumulation was present. You can see here, this is the region where a very good accumulation was seen by big players. And now, as I told, 130 followed by support wise, you can focus 125 is going to be important support. So there, if you want to average or if you want to add, you can focus that. So once it crosses 130, 135 would be the next level, which again will reach the stock to all-time high. Okay. So money flow index in daily chart is around 54. It is in mid-range. So that also may go up at any point of time. So these are all the technicals, followed by the levels that we have discussed, followed by updates basically, which are moving around the company. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDiaryYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.